For our final project for data science, we decided to look at the factors associated with police killings in America. Our team consisted of Chirag Shah, Natalie Fidel, Jacqueline Verity, and Janesh Shakal. We decided to look at this topic because it's a point of contention within our culture as well as in our media. Here you can see a geographic distribution of police killings across America, also broken down by race. The top 5 cities are listed here. You can see there's a tiebreak for 5th place. We've plotted the cause of death by different types of police weapons in those cities, as well as whether individuals were armed by a firearm or any other weapon. Here we've shown the time dependency to see if there was a relationship. We can see that March had the most number of killings, as well as the fact that later in the month there were the most number of killings. Here we've plotted the distribution by state. By far, California leads the way in terms of number of police killings. We've broken it down by race. White people were the most killed within the time frame of our data set. And by age, those between the age of 29 to 38 were the most killed. We also decided to run a regression model where we didn't really see any significant results due to the fact that the null value of 1 for odds ratios was encompassed within the upper and lower bounds. The regression model was designed to see if there was a difference between armed and unarmed individuals in majority non-white neighborhoods who were being killed. Here on our dashboard, you can see the distribution of those killings by month as well as by state. And you can see by clicking on any state, for example, California, you can see the number of jumps, the number of killings and the jumps by month. If you have any other questions, please contact us by clicking on the email link on the top or visit our GitHub repository, which will be in the description link below.